September. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Just how much is the cost of one roll of tissue paper? Well, picture this. Kericho County is on the spotlight for purchasing one roll at a cost of 275 shillings. And not just that, a 300 ml bottle of soda cost the county 500 shillings. This are some of the charges facing Kericho Governor Eric Mutai, who is currently being tried for a second time of a gross violation of the Constitution, abuse of office, and gross misconduct in the Senate. Jeff Kirui with the details.
Kericho Governor Dr. Eric Mutai is yet again on trial before the Senate, fighting for his survival against an onslaught from members of the County Assembly who are keen to kick him out of office. The County Assembly alleged that Governor Mutai presided over pilferage of county resources, including allegations of purchase of a bottle of soda at 500 shillings, a bale of tissue with each roll bought at a cost of 275 shillings, and a hand towel bought at a cost of 3,600 shillings. A further payment of 5.1 million shillings was unsupported. The County Assembly presented images of houses whose cost of maintenance is in excess of 2.9 million shillings, being part of fictitious payments amounting to 85 million shillings.
One of the bills of quantities paid for is re-roofing, and you will see the description of the roof supposed to be put. These houses have been fully paid for, 2.9 million shillings. When the County Assembly steps here and tells you, we have brought you a governor of bad behavior, I beseech you, distinguished senators, to give them a keen hearing.
Much of it, including the pictures that we have seen here of houses and many others, the Good Committee had indicated that let the CEOs be punished by the Public Service Board. But the impeachment has already been tabled before I even got the report.
The ghosts of July 2023 accident at Londiani Junction is also haunting the embattled governor. MCAs alleged that Dr. Mutai squandered 9 million shillings out of 14 million that were fundraised for the accident victims that left 50 dead and 32 more injured.
Only 4 million shillings, just slightly above 4 million shillings, ended up to the victims.
Governor Mutai, through his lawyers, however, implored upon the Senate to throw out the charges.
It was part of the allegations which you threw away in September 2024. They have been brought back. And that is contrary to the provisions of Standing Order number 70A, which prohibits reintroduction of previously highlighted allegations.
Impunity and high-handedness is another charge that the first-time governor is battling before senators. Mutai is accused of having led a mob to invade a private land owned by one Jose Kiplagat Kogo in Kericho town and later designated the piece of land as a county dumping site despite an existing court order.
The County Assembly is saying we are not bringing here rumors. A court of law has sat and has established that the governor has violated that citizen's right to a clean and healthful environment, and has directed this governor to take remedial measures.
The nearest that the court determined in that case was that there was need to have proper NEMA certifications before dumping could be done there. There was no determination that it belongs to the person who had complained.
The impeachment hearing will continue on Thursday as witnesses continue to take to the stand for evidence and cross-examination.
This is the second time that Kericho Governor Dr. Eric Mutai is appearing before the Senate to defend himself against impeachment. In October last year, he survived on technicalities on the basis that members of the County Assembly did not attain the threshold of 2/3 of members supporting the motion. Will he be lucky twice? Jeff Kirui, KTN.